JALGAYO, JALJAYO. What's the difference? Have you ever been confused between these two words? Today, we're going to study the difference between JALGAYO and JALJAYO. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. First of all, the main difference of JALGAYO and JALJAYO is the middle syllable. As you can see, JALGAYO has ga as the middle syllable, while JALJAYO has ja as the second syllable or the middle syllable. And therefore, there would be difference on how you write it in Hangul. Just remember that JALGAYO has the giyok sound, while JALJAYO has the jiyot sound. They only differ on one letter, and therefore, their Hangul characters should also differ with just one character. Again, JALGAYO has the giyok character on the second syllable, while JALJAYO has the jiyot character on the second syllable. Since JALJAYO and JALGAYO are actually different words, they also have different meaning. JALGAYO means to go well or to say goodbye, while JALJAYO is used to say sleep well or good night. If you could remember, the word jal means well, and the gayo on the JALGAYO means to go, and the jayo on the JALJAYO means to sleep. The main similarity is that both of this bids you well, but JALGAYO bids you to go well, while JALJAYO bids you to sleep well. Also, take note that in English, we don't always say go well. Instead, we say goodbye. That's why we can interpret JALGAYO as saying goodbye. The same thing with JALJAYO. We don't usually say sleep well. Instead, we say good night. So, we can translate JALJAYO as good night. Just another thing to take note. As you can see, JALGAYO and JALJAYO both has yo at its ending, meaning both of these are already on its casual and polite form. Again, don't forget, the main difference is that JALGAYO is used to say go well or goodbye, while JALJAYO is used to say sleep well or good night. And with that, I wish that you've learned the difference between JALGAYO and JALJAYO. Before I end this video, let's have a short review by answering these questions. What is goodbye or go well in Korean? If you have mastered reading Hangul, you'll know by now that the Hangul character written below is JALGAYO. Next, what is good night in Korean? As shown, it's JALJAYO. And yes, it has the jiyot character, so it's JALJAYO. And that's it for our review. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words and for more Korean lessons. Bye!